se mo se yenyi enima baby aman you da wo Premier League ne so na ye twemu time mo bebo Champions League next season because mo be Europa League na era mbese me busa but mintimi mbusa da vim no enye fa ne free
yenu dia e Europe bi antimi ncha yo ya kom bi
on beating in Europa no
eno ani secret. And I knew the consequences say young Europa. And Penifon no na no. I mean the consequences young Europe, especially with our position now, young EP on us. Yen sponsors every group be pull out. You see Kasembe Basa. But Champions League there. At least no crab boy as I'm young players 1 or 2 be able to cheat. Na vim ni na no.
Na dia muni nyina no. Mo ya aware so say Europa League final no ye be boss san meme mo ya aware
yeah aware pa
and mo yes and mo ya aware say baby e be Europa League final no team na e boni home wo ho no and mo share na semi finals like mo ya aware
yeah ni na ya aware anya William Brothers
and mo ya aware say baby afo no the reason why omama obia meto Williams and say they think say or your best player and on somebody in the G Europa League no answer na so memo obi mpa beta no omo na to and that is the almost so focus nyina no and it says here but boy your hand quadia the cathedral of football quadia we want to make it to the final we are aware of sano mani nyina
ya aware oni ko dey sorted okay you player obejina no so o man movie
okay
ani a win Europa Champions League
na me say me hu say mo ya aware
no okay esikita no
ye da so an nam na ye re 2 clubs out of these 4 omo ebetimi akopiem e wo Munich na ya bo the finals of this season's Champions League na ekwan 8 about ewa 8 pa too much is pay but rich ewa papa enra omo wo se uhwe wo tactical board rich omo wo facing me your left hand side no took steps ni bi say omo try so medru omo destination and the steps no was taking our landing there but rich yakwa say you start race ni our landing but Paris for no LED race no enra courtesy Ousmane Dembele 4th minute goal Paris Saint-Germain ebenya 1-0 win over team IFN Arsenal. Now rich Sadia now Paris Saint-Germain and the year clubs no say na fi feature mu no this is not the first time and it is not going to stop. Okay enra yes share 2 teams no tactical board no so no me busa o say 2 teams no able 2 force number 9s Paris Saint-Germain there any abrantie o dey screen is we Arsenal there was Trossard na see akase number 9 for ni mienu na be change game na why na we gidi say based on the form this season the performance in the Champions League you didn't waste time and you said it was Ousmane Dembele and rich me know why you are doing because na me say Sebon ba Ousmane Dembele wa he is too scary because untimi predict no la me yama ajebo awunim se obetwetwe aba ne left na so your players be Pedri Jeboa you know he's going to turn he's going to pass you have a lot of players you can easily predict what they do yes sometimes Saudi commentators na almost say play bit me Jeboa unim di odi ba ye pa ba say ne be ya be stopping no enso so ye problem but rich Ousmane enye sa players ni bia born be kan na ya unim di odi ba ye unim ni na ya odi ba ye di odi ba ye no he is so unpredictably dangerous as a player and rich Sa usha Paris Saint-Germain go no mo share na. Dia Luis Enrique wa chira o mo agasa. Now, mami kasa asem we ansa na mref. Enra. The moment that Paris Saint-Germain share go na me say okay, unim. Modern day football no rich. Ayana enye ye fault say ebia obi titinia. Na o show na. Now we are giving a lot of terms in science in and you baby because I didn't think that this generation mama football aya change rich unim the entia. So also the way Paris Saint-Germain are building up to a goal now. They invite pressure. So we invite pressure. They know you will press them. So who press you more? They know say Obe press ya, abe press edru. Omu enfinfin for say you will not want them to transit. Rich, unya players ni nyina na utim no ema come 1v1 ema pressing na. Then they call their number 9. Say, look, Chumufin go for the center halves no. Na pe space. Ejinemu. Send ya ye defenders now pressure wo musu no can locate you with a pass through the lines. So we are na center house no. Who the belly? They will not follow you deep into midfield. They will say, oh, Kwajibo netem nebra. Because within a bigger space, nobody will want to follow Dembele. Reach one touch, obe chichon. And to undine chimko deep into midfield. And to him, Paris Saint-Germain for the defenders in the budget. Omejirejina ye. Vitinha, Fabian Ruiz, João Neves, everyone is on the pass. Omu say omo ba, obedi omo chiaba. Then Ousmane Dembele ever begin space behind omo pepe. Center house ni ndine chimba. No ba be jibon. But rich. Adia who was adia no and say. And that is where modern football comes into play. Look, Sepep Maka say, yepe ball playing center backs, yepe ball playing defenders. I don't go for you say they are too sophisticated. But rich and yes, and in the build up to Paris Saint-Germain goal, no, look at the pass now, Mendes boy. You know. Look at this pass. Mm-hmm. So, a defender the boy you rich, and you make for the pass. A defender and a scary because they are being pressed. So how did he break 2 lines to find him? That is where Coach Ibeka was say, "Me pay defenders here, but me promo ni more anymore." Because the way you defend on him, reach under pressure, and you will not be able to build the way a person building. That is what modern football is all about, Rich. That is it. And so Ousmane Dembele Bejibo only deep sana. Rich, already all my midfielders, I follow Paris Saint-Germain midfielders in person. Otene na onya Araskeria or right wa. Now already into the DM position now. Moment for the singing akem and they will score you. That is what Paris Saint-Germain aye. Now look, Rich. Then you need a very, very good center back to follow him. For instance, Mami John for you to be Joe. Paris Saint-Germain against Barca. Rich. Say who study on video now? And your baby Ousmane Dembele Bekobia, Kubasi will follow him. Mm-hmm. So when you say yeah, press it, Abrante is dropping deep behind your midfielders now. Kubasi will follow him. It's over pass here. Only so a tricky pa. Either so over foul. And as over tarot to the stance of a jibone for himself. You will need someone to follow Ousmane Dembele deep. So kwa jibona. And yes, sir. Na se defenders ni omu composure Rich na omu pass ni accurate to him na otene efesimu na or the serid way any Caraskeria e won the flanks na you are dead.
That Caraskeria guy your baller,
he is a very very good
and uncle Kutimba ave na dan ni ojutane sa
ave edu tembi na commentators they say Timber the yellow card on she o edru maybe and afi there Ateta sama stubborn ache. Let me withdraw him and bring in Ben White. Now Ben said Ankwan could do record because we will need him the away team. But Rich, beyond this goal, Mate say only Fifi ne Gabi nyina ka say enso bo a wose ebo. But do you know say aside possession, the numbers doesn't paint the picture na mo pese mo print no. Look at the numbers. Paris Saint-Germain 60% ball possession to Arsenal 4. Rich, apart from the possession, the only thing of Paris Saint-Germain was actually Arsenal a shots, normal shots, 6-5, and only one. 4-4 on shot on target. Now, Rich, Arsenal the 40%, 5 shots, 4 on target, and our SG of 1.22. Look at Paris Saint-Germain SG, and not even one, but they scored. Inti, so Osha numbers need here. Probably that is why Mikel Arteta will look at and say, "Oh, yeah, a chance." And Kofono ever possess in the but when it got to say, "Yeah, create chances are your friend expected goals, no, you will be cheating almost and create me a clinic a kakrebia and ka and ka results in a Now, Rich, how did the numbers look like this? But Paris Saint-Germain won the game. Obia is talking about Ousmane Dembele, Kvaratskhelia, Desiree Doué, and the midfielders, the way we possess the ball. But Rich, the reason why Paris Saint-Germain at the 1-0 Echo Paris is this story. You both game in the Vitinha and man of the match. He balls the midfield. He's the reason why almost 60% ball possession. Now, Rich, Abeje in the man of the match award New Year. Then he went to the dressing room and look at this. He took a selfie picture with Donnarumma with a caption, Le Verrer MVP, the rare MVP. And so our numbers now, the reason why they won was that Arsenal 1.22 SG, but Oman should go because of Donnarumma. Rich, we need 2 saves be by. Look at the save against Gabriel Martinelli. Just look at it. Pass from Lewis Kelly. This ball. Look at the 1v1. 1v1.
No stretch a ball.
Oh, very, very good Rich. And we mentioned it on the show. Said Donnarumma was rich. Rich, and you went on you. Okay, on it throw side there. This is again 1v1. The Carras are running ball, or passing ball, and Matrosad. On the same way, again.
Liverpool, Aston Villa, this thing.
And
the room and a ball.
Yes. But Rich, good goalkeepers are more good saves, you know. Sometimes, ball full, sebi, and a show. And Enra, Vitinha did to say they are going back to Paris with 1-0. And Donnarumma is the real MVP. Though you are Adeno and for Manity Rich, sometimes you need a very, very good goalkeeper to take you far. And Enra Donnarumma it's me a year or more Ejumano. I love the French Ultrafono and no almost support them. Massive for 90 minutes. And then when I say a pong game,
Arsenal for almost gentle.
So we are landing.
Almost landing India.
Landing team.
Now, no Paris Saint-Germain now to Kwabano. Did they know you stadium?
Rich, oh, Ultras, or more money Ultras.
And I'm in Arsenal.
I am landing or
yes, someone. Sabrina to the Benyas and boy, Joe.
So where?
No, be after try gentle.
Where there were a lot of times Mikel Arteta was saying stadium the day. Odegaard was saying stadium.
Oh, me a Kakabia no die.
We are gentle people. Now we have some fun work on one. I
catch some
sound. Until you may pardon them, Rich. And that was a good day for Paris Saint-Germain. It will give way in the second leg.
Sure.
Partey coming back. Arsenal going after the game. Paris Saint-Germain Arsenal with that pace front train of we will have a game to watch at the Parc des Princes. Now, Rich, to enemy no. Barcelona Inter. What a game. What a match. Rich, Barcelona message is simple. Almost almost trouble. They already have the Copa del Rey. They have the lead in the league. And the Akapaya thing the Champions League. They have Inter before them. And see Anope, they post this video. They post this video and on my caption, dream, believe, achieve. Almost so Diana. Najidi said Diana Bayem. Unya so Diana Ujidi Nkwadia on Sabeka. That is Barcelona message with this video. Said this is what they are taking into, and then you make game no El Munjik Stadium hono. Now Rich. Since I answer Flicky by you know, he seems to have a formula for every game. But the philosophy and you maybe a Barca phone a game Simon be a permanent pressing, possessing 1v1 in lateral areas. Sanyo man they a permanent. Diaka the opponent in the city anywhere we want to overload any Sanyo man and also so our honum. Now Rich. Any game na Barca bebono. The only thing that can go against Barcelona is fatigue. So how many Real Madrid game no? Extra time na no a stretchy or more. Aside extra time the celebration no musa Germania. I mean the say it was true. And some of the Barca players were late for training. And as a flick bufuye and he told them. But Rich, beside fatigue no. Through Spain, Catalonia, CCR. The Catalonia for can say. It seems say ye draw na ye hu say aha ne ye be fa no. Time Inter eyi Bayern no. Na Fisher no aye clear no. Na game no hu. But there is something that is I say a game no hu so and that is it. Rich, Inter last 3 games they lost 1-0 to Bologna. In the Coppa Italia semi-finals, 3-0 and Omulusi to AC Milan. This weekend, yeah, Omutifie, I'm AS Roma. And then the 10 come and Akoshen 1. So, ahead of the game, Inter and Lucy some spark. And Barca phone are licking their lips. Say, I said, the real need to see who Inter game, we say, no. I said, Omo, a form no, a tiba form at the wrong time. But Rich, this is Inter. They are one of the most difficult teams to play in Europe. And a new fluke say, baby about the dream, Rich, defensively, they are the best team in the Champions League. And say na me catch on about Donnarumma no. Rich, say who do this stage in the Champions League? Adieba Kupa here to carry you to the final is your defensive play. You need to avoid conceding goals. Yeah, we say Inter betting ya withstand it. Barcelona pressure. Any of my attack, you know, and then Nhyira. Rich, this is the Inter team from Sky Italia. Any Obia, Dorosport, Obia say this is the Inter team. Soma, Bisek, Acerbi, Bastoni. Omanya, wing backs now, prefer as number 1 choice, you know, in Dumfries and Dimarco. Then that's midfield. Kahanoglu, Mkhitaryan, Barella. Then the front 2. Lautaro Martinez, Thuram. In a 3-5-2, Rich. 3-5-2 for Tima, your friend Inter. Now, no numre. Enemy yan in TSA. Hansi Flick say, "Opposite or repeating the same lineup now. A boy in the Copa del Rey final." And what it means is that Barcelona will also be coming in with this: Chesney, Kunde, Gerard Martin, Martinez, Kubasi, Frankie De Jong, Pedri, Daniel Olmo, Rafinha, Lamine Yamal, Ferran Torres in a 4-3-3 for Tima. You find Barcelona like this. Rich. Before me, the man be seen me prediction beba no. Mami mbusa we o. In the engine room. This time around, Nyankopɔn ya dum obi ani injury bia e wo engine room ho. Rich. Kanoglu. Mkhitaryan. Barella. As against Frankie de Jong, Pedri, Daniel Olmo. Ujiri se 3 ben na no odin.
The Inter one.
Inter there.
So senior man for experience no ho. My Champions League no.
My bo mo ache no we bia. Now Rich. For me, BB cancel no.
Okay.
Inter for the no experience. Omo bo mo ache. They know how to play these stages of the Champions League. But Rich, age is not on their side. And I watch Inter against Bologna. I watch them against AC Milan. I watch them against Conemo, Roma. Rich, I feel say they've had a long season and almost ages, is catching up with them in kitty. And to him, this Barcelona team will know say they are facing a very, very good midfield from Inter. But Rich, what they have that Inter phoning me is their youthfulness. Rich, and then Maninho say, especially in the first half, Barcelona will try to suffocate Inter with youthful runnings and pressing. Almost some say, yeah, I'm munimbo, me am paying for, but I am cry. Yenimbo ni bot somewhere, but munimbo chinye because mama bache, but you didn't cry seven. And she look, play be say Frankie de Jong. Rich, so on your ball, na say Mkhitaryan na pressing. He will just bypass him and say, me a crouch on me show him, me say unti me. So Pedro in your ball na Kahanoglu. He will do the same thing. Daniel Olmo will do the same thing. And she Interfono, disadvantage of one say, Rich, they look a little bit older than Barcelona phone. And so where has the flexes or by the intensity now of Barcelona phone the Bobona. Rich, I'm sure na Inter in Peninsula no. Aha, omo ekakra. That is my first worry. Number 2, Miriano no. Rich, so boy in a trebaka. We've always said say there are spaces or lateral areas. But that is where Barcelona is strong. Rich. That is where Barcelona is strong. Baby, Lamine Yamal and Rafinha Dano. And you behind Dumfries and DiMarco. And what it means is that say I'm sure you are born I anticipate to see about giddy no. Rich, one way not because of Rafinha and Lamine Yamal, DiMarco and Dumfries and Baby. They will be kept by these boys. Now, I say Inter 5 and then 3 and then more 2 and on my pumpy which now trying to make sure that Barcelona follow and you see some players and for NC or Machi and share almost. Rich, I think so without Lewandowski. A blessing in disguise Academy Barcelona. I am not saying say we wouldn't have needed Lewandowski in this game. This is Champions League semi-final. We here Obia what at this level or experience. But Rich, so Usha Bona CCI Ferran Torres Airborne. So also share Inter for omutre back na. Unu do obo Vivi Asebi. And he's old. Nena lukuto ja benim. And imagine Ferran Torres, the Rudiger. The way he like running behind you, running into space. Rich. So I soleti said, no, sa space is in getting kitty here. With the way Barcelona for it to me bo passy. And shall no more bet you. But Rich, with the American na. Rich. And Chelsea Interfono so cause Barca problems. Number 1, Gerard Martin.
Okay.
Sedan phrase 83 also. No Ayala ba. No Lautaro Martinez ba. They overload their left hand side and we will have a problem. Number 1, I don't know. Now again, Rich. The Bia Makacha will say, Team Bia above front 2 target man biano. So our ball against a team of the lateral defenders and LP overlapping. A jadu 2v2 into Inigo Martinez against Lautaro Martinez, Kubasi against Thuram. That is a problem.
For prediction in
Barcelona must deal with Sadio very, very well. Right. I think Barca should win.
Okay.
I think so overall Barca will what it takes to beat Team FN Inter Nhyira. Whether they will finish the job or not, that one I don't see.
Okay.
But Inter for Nhyira, Rich, Barca enya a very good win. Our game we won. They will beat Inter home and away.
Okay.
And Mama Barca for enya so much confidence coming to San Siro. Then we can do a second analysis of the second game. But Rich, I think Inter are very good, but Barcelona will beat them. Barca be show mo and Nhyira ewo. Mame Emma code bi na yefa nye ade bi kitikiti bi ewo sekafie code mienu bi. A very very good code pa ewo honom na yen hwe de betimi ade aye ewo seka efie ene Nhyira. Me say wa say wo hwe ye show no na we interested in betting na J2 betway course we na efa eye wa de apese ode eye. Me say wa ni twa bi 1C5 8 7 AD6 and a 1C5 8 9 301 until 1C5 8 9 301 1C5 87 AD6 and another calculator say can so pan was screenshot it. Send a be a later be say oh na code ni we na code ni say after na we be chase after the phone. I hope I will share on Facebook here chat. Say who tie already you just write it down. Na we are one kasa one your time. Na wa call bet we app no so and say wa call web no. Na wa call bo ahyem na watimi e di etwa bet. Rich, good luck to obi a na so be try. Na Nhyira you watch a very very good game.
Very good game.
Ewo Munich stadium.
Ah,